studio unit in the observatory in Mandaluyong City. 30.5 square meters. So this particular unit is facing Ortigas. So this is the model unit. As you can see, it is already digital lock. Upon entering, at the left side is the Genkan or shoe cabinet. So this is the kitchen with space for your rice cooker. Very spacious studio unit. At the right side is the toilet and bath. Nice. So, observatory is a mixed-use development along Pioneer Street, Mandaluyong by Federal Land and Yomura Real Estate of Japan. So, it is a Japanese-inspired community. For reference, the view. So, yeah, 30.5 square meters studio unit. We still have available here in the observatory. Target turnover of Sora Tower will be on 2030. Invest now.